Here is the 2009 Kia Borrego. I've been working with it since I bought it from an auction, so don't judge me. It's a little dirty. You don't want to open up something like a lot of bag. But yeah, I've been having little issues I'm trying to get panned out. And when I had the car jacked up, and this car started, because I was changing out the fuel pump and filter and stuff, and it started making a clicking noise once I started back up after I replaced them. And I'll let you hear it. That clicking noise. But upon my looking and investigating and stuff, I found that that this right here blows out cold air, while all the other ones blow out warm air. So I find out that it's it could be one of the revolving doors that let the heat, and the blender doors or whatever that is. I think that's the issue. That's why it's doing that clicking though. So I guess I'm gonna have to find out about doing that one. And the noise you get when you first turn it on, that noise to sound like a diesel. I found out that I was looking at a video actually on YouTube here, and one guy was showing how it's a little bit of pipe that the engine got to run through. So it made that noise until it started get the lubrication over there. But so far this thing have been it been some good days and bad days. I got it running for a while. Had no issues. I had let my daughter borrow it, so I got the car back from her, and since then I replaced the fuel filter and the O2 sensor, all four of them, which was a little bit of a pain, but I got it done, and it's been running a little weird lately. But a lot of the I noticed that a lot of the different codes that it threw out went on down to like one code, and I think it just was a code that read engine misfires, basically multiple misfires and stuff. So I'm probably just gonna take it to a dealership. I've been trying to dread of doing that because I don't want to incur the cost of that, because I know they can hit you with a good sticker price. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably just let them look at it and diagnose it, and I know it can probably be a couple $100 to see what they all the faults that they come up with, and then I get that and I'll fix it myself. So all right, I hope everyone have a blessed day. I just want to show you this clicking noise, and in case you were to get this type of vehicle and then know what the issue is. But by my determination, I believe it's just the revolving doors. And years ago I had it was a Buick Park Avenue Ultra, and I had to go to my cousin, and he took the dash apart and replaced the doors and stuff in there. So, and it used to do that where you have hot air over here, cold air over there. But I believe that's where that clicking has come from, is the door not opening up so it can let the hot air in and close out the inner entryway for the cold air coming in here. So hope everybody have a blessed day. Thank you for your time and looking at my video. Bye.